how to chat with Grok in Telegram app. So obviously, first of all, you just need to have Telegram app. You need to have an account in Telegram, and then you go to channels tab in the middle, and then just basically search for Grok AI username in channels. Or you can just scan this QR code, and you will be redirected to Grok AI Telegram channel. And then, yeah, this basically looks like a normal Telegram channel. Unfortunately, this is not completely free. So Grok AI available in Telegram, but it's available in Telegram Premium. So this is like kind of like Super Grok, a paid version of Telegram, and you need to upgrade for it. So this is just like you decide whether you wanted to upgrade to Telegram Premium or not. And that's basically the idea. So yeah, just you decide whether you want to use it here, and that's what it is.